In a lush, verdant orchard, nestled among the towering apple trees and plum bushes, grew a humble kiwi vine. Unlike its flashy neighbors, the kiwi was small, fuzzy, and green, often overlooked by the other fruits. One day, a grand banquet was announced in the town. All the fruits were excited to showcase their sweetness and succulence. The apple, the peach, and the strawberry spent days preparing, polishing, and perfecting their appearances. The kiwi, however, felt disheartened. It knew it couldn't compete with the other fruits in terms of beauty or size. So, it decided to do something different. On the day of the banquet, the kiwi presented itself as it was simple, unassuming, and green. The other fruits laughed, thinking the kiwi didn't understand the purpose of the gathering. As the banquet began, the guests started tasting each fruit. The apple was sweet but hard to bite, the peach was soft but lacked flavor, and the strawberry was tart and seedy. The guests were disappointed, longing for something better. Then, they came to the kiwi. A single bite revealed a burst of tangy, juicy delight. The guests couldn't believe their taste buds. The kiwi was unlike anything they had ever tasted. Word spread quickly about the unique and delicious kiwi. Soon, the kiwi was the most sought-after fruit in the land. The other fruits, now envious, realized too late the true value of being unique. The kiwi taught us a valuable lesson that day. Sometimes, it's our differences that make us special. Embrace who you are, and let your unique qualities shine, for they are the gifts that set you apart from others.